Miario ya mutongoria wa NASA Raila Odinga ya kuga ati thirikari niyo icungiririe unyihu wa mutu wa raithi no ithiete na mbere na kuguciriria mawoni matiganite kuma kuri mwahu wa Jubilee. Akiaria na andiki ya mohoro, minista wa utamburukia wa mahinya Mwangi Kiunjuri niokiriire mwena wa mungethaniro niundu wa kuga ati thirikari irahuthira unyihu wa mutu gutafania kampeini ciao. Kiunjuri nierire muingi wa bururi ati kwa ihinda riri kuri na irio cia kuigana, akiuga thirikari ireka uria wothe ingihota gutigirira gutire mundu ono umwe ugukua kumana na ng'aragu.
We shall be releasing 2 SGR trains with a capacity of 6,000 metric tons. That is 120,000 bags of maize from mombatha, and 1 LVR train with a capacity of 1,000 tons, that is 20,000 bags of maize, and 350 trucks, that is a capacity of 186,000 bags of maize.
Oho Kiunjuri niaugire ati mwena wa mungethaniro ni kumakora maka thutha wa kuona matihariririe kunyita itemi githurano-ini kinene na handu hake riu marongoreirie gucugira muingi.
Now the topic again, the narrative is no longer that there is no food in the market. The narrative now is changing, that the government intends to campaign using food. How do you campaign using food to Kenyans who are already hungry?
Kiunjuri niaugire thirikari ni igurite ngonia milioni 1.4 cia mucere iria igutangikira aria magumeirwo ni ng'aragu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Njenga wa Waboi.